Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I am your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So I'm so excited. I have Miss Terry Davis here. What is the name of your company, Terry? What's the name of your company, Terry?
The name of my company. The name of the company is GUNN, G-U-N-N Janitorial, LLC.
Great. Well, I'm so excited. Terry is here joining me today live. I'm going to do a quick little interview with her. I know she's out and about, but I just wanted to put her on here because she just won her first government contract. Yay! So I'm so excited. I'm going to turn my volume up because I know I have it down low. So let me turn that up because it is, yes, there we go. Okay, now we got it. So I'm so excited Terry won her first contract. So Terry, tell me what you did, and I know what agency and all the good stuff. So let's start with what you did.
What I did was I went into SAM.gov. You set me up.
Okay.
I gave you a call, saw you on YouTube. You registered me in SAMS. You assisted me with getting everything I needed, and then you told me everything I needed to do to start looking for bids, and that's what I did.
So you went into SAM.
I went into SAM. You told me how to start looking for the bids. I did that.
Okay.
Put in my state, the type of company that I was, the type of work that I wanted.
Okay.
And you told me how to look at it and how to the most recent jobs,
right?
The active ones.
Make sure it's
on active.
Okay.
And I was doing that, and I found one. I bid it. I looked it up. I called the contracting officer. I went to the location.
Okay.
You have to be there in order to bid. But guess what? I was the only one there.
Oh my goodness. So there was no one else there but you.
That's right. I was the only one.
Wow, Terry.
Because they stated that you had to be there in order to bid. If you was not there, then you would not be able to bid. So I'm like, okay, this is already mine. This is automatically mine.
Oh my God.
So yeah, so I did everything.
So you and see, that goes to show that staying persistent. We can give you the tools like we did to Terry, but Terry put the work in. She called me up. She was a client of ours, but she put the work in as well. So Terry called me up. Terry made sure she, set a schedule for looking for bids every now and then, like we had taught her how to do. And she continued. She didn't just sit in SAMS and just think it's going to happen. She was active. But when she put the work in, we can see with the results. So you won your first contract. And if you don't mind, it was over 100,000. So I just wanted to say that I am so proud of you, Terry, for putting in the work, for being one of our clients. Did you have to go? Yes. And we did a little shout out to her Facebook family. I'm going to put this video on there as well, so her Facebook fam can say hi to her. They've already congratulated her, because we always want to show love when one of our tribe members is able to show that the persistence and the consistency is what pays off. Would you not agree, Terry?
That's correct. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This was not the first time I bid. It took some time, but it was less than a year. I got it within a year.
Right. And I remember getting up and getting ramped. By the time you actively started bidding and looking, it was even short, because I remember by the time we register you, and then I think you had some other things going on. So it definitely, I know the average that they say people find a bid is a year and 6 months. And our clients and members have been so active and so busy doing the work and putting in the work and staying determined that they've been able to cut that time down by, drastically. We've had anyone where it went from 2 months to 9 months is around the average that they've been winning. And I know some of the agencies people don't think about or, know about. Like I said, Veteran Affairs, we've had someone win. I think Terry won with the Forest Service. I think that's U.S. Forest Service. I don't know what agency that's a sub, but I don't know what the main agency is. Right. Do you know what the
Right.
main agency is? I think it's the Forest Service, but a
It
lot
is
of
the Forest
those,
Service. It's the
right,
Forest Service. Yeah.
is the Forest Service. So who would think that a bid would be able to be won? The only one that shows up, have the courage to go to those walkthroughs. I'm telling you guys. So anyway, I know Terry's a busy lady. Now, like she said, the work starts, but get the mindset right. And I'm so excited. So Terry's out and about in the car. She took the time. I appreciate it, Terry. I'm going to go ahead and close. So I say that to say we're going to have our free masterclass where Terry met us. Make sure you register in the description. Link will be available. So you too can be on here with me talking about the contract that you won. I'm so excited. So until next time, you guys be safe, take care, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.